I don't believe in God because belief, by its very nature, leaves room for doubt. Belief is something you hold on to when proof feels just out of reach. But I've moved beyond that. I don't just believe, I know. I know God is real because I've felt His presence within me. It's not something distant or apart from me. It's something I've awakened to inside myself. When I realized the depth of my own potential, it became impossible to ignore the divine light I carry. And if it's true for me, it's true for you too. You just have to wake up, open your eyes to the limitless power you hold. God isn't somewhere far away. He's within you, waiting to be recognized.